it's Nancy from nancyfurbshares.com. It's celebration time, my favorite time of the year, and customers earn free items based on their purchase. Today, I'm sharing my very favorite level 1 and level 2 free items from the Sale-A-Bration brochure. In the United States, for each $60 you purchase in any product, you can select a level 1 item for free. And for each $120 purchased, you can select a free level 2 item, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. There's 14 really cute and versatile, lots of different types of items, from embellishments to scrapbooking to bundles, and designer series paper in this brochure. So there's something for everyone. I am sharing my favorites today, and here they are. Level 1 is this really sweet designer series paper. It has tiny flowers on it and so easy to use. I find big splashy flowers are harder to use on a card because, you know, the card's small and the flowers are big. So these I find very easy to use. They coordinate perfectly with the in-color glimmer paper that's in the annual catalog. So if you have this is going to go perfectly together. I've got lots of ideas to show you, so stay with me. My favorite level 2 is the heart-shaped bundle. And this has this very delicate little heart. You can see it has lots of detail. And I'm going to show you how to pair it with the die that goes with it, which has the leaves. A nice little place for your sentiments and really sweet words with this one. So this is my favorite level 2. Let's get started on the samples. Lots of my samples, I used the basic white note cards and envelopes that come pre-packaged. There's 20 in a package. They are scored already with envelopes, very easy to use. And this is a smaller size heart, so it goes nicely on these note cards. Check out the detail here. First, I stamped the stamp image in red, and then I offset it with the die so that they both show. Gave some splatters and a sentiment, and isn't that a sweet card? So simple. This could be a Valentine card. It could be a birthday card, an anniversary card, a birthday card. Lots and lots of versatility in this stamp set. Then here's a cheery one. I used the little yellow paper, little yellow print, just because I care, and this time I used just the die cut from the glimmer paper. I used adhesive sheets on the back so it became a sticker and very easy to attach. Put a little scrap on the inside just for a little interest. And another note card. This one is uses the pinks, the Melon Mambo, and there is in the background is that image again with white leaves over the top. I had so much fun making these. They're sweet, they're easy, just real simple to drop in the mail. My heart loves your heart. How sweet is that? 2 interlocking hearts with a little clump of flowers, and then flowers on the inside and on the flap. So fun. These 3 note cards are heat embossed with gold embossing powder. This is Gorgeous Grape, Cherry Cobbler, and Night of Navy. They each have a coordinating bow. And if you'll notice, it really is elegant when you stamp it in gold and heat emboss it. And then on the envelopes, I did the little clump of flowers. Sweet little notes. Boy, I have lots of Valentines to send this year. This was a swap I got from a teammate, Karen, and I think this is the sweetest card. And she said, well, I cased it out of the catalog. And I'm like, oh, I missed it. Look at the leaves. The leaves are colored with probably mossy meadow, I would guess. Doesn't that add a lot of interest? Very, very cute, Karen. So then I had to try that. And this is the card I came up with. I used the 6x6 Designer Series paper that comes in all of our colors. And I used 3 different colors of green on the leaves. And it's real fast to paint them. You just use the broad tip and around. Give it a little splatter. Don't throw away your scraps. Use them on the inside. Then I just used the tip of the heart to kind of accent the hello on the flap. Here's another paper from the package. 2 interlocking hearts with some little sequins. I love these. They're flat, easy to mail, lightweight, and a little tab of ribbon just folded in half, tucked under. My thoughts of you are all heart-shaped. Isn't that wonderful? Wow. And last but not least, this is Azure Afternoon, the blue. And this die cut is cut from this paper. So look at all the detail you get in the leaves. You get all different color leaves. I really love that look. When you have something delicate, try cutting it out of a tiny printed Designer Series paper. In the center is the bee trinket. That's not adhesive. You need to use a glue dot under there, but it's not a problem. Just because I care. Wow. I love Sale-A-Bration. Customers love Sale-A-Bration. So please take time to stock up and be sure you can earn, excuse me. Make sure you can earn some free items during Sale-A-Bration 2025. Visit my blog for tips, tricks, ideas, ordering, and you can join my team during Sale-A-Bration. There is a great join option. You can have 2 options to select from, and I'd be happy to chat with you about that. Thanks for stopping by today. Have a great day. Bye.